Once again, Gene of Ace Contracting Services, and on this video, you're going to see us debut our new branded t-shirts for our business. First things first, let's talk about branding. So I made a YouTube video earlier this year where it shows us getting our different shirts made for while we're on the job in order to get them dirty, painted on. So it was really a lot of those shirts where you wear them, you mess them up, oh well. And also you saw shirts that were embroidered. Now these were a lot more fishing shirts where they're kind of relaxed and dressed down, but also semi-professional. Now today you'll see us with our new branded sublimation shirts where this is meant for anything, whether it's on the go, at the job, shaking hands and kissing babies. For these kind of shirts, you use them for any and everything. So on these fully sublimated 100% polyester shirts, they do not shrink, they do not fade, they stay pretty much the way they are the entire time. The only thing that you do have to worry about is sometimes when you get bleach on them, if it's a darker color, they may fade. But besides that, you can have these for a super long time. So we all know the main purpose of these shirts are branding, but the biggest thing is uniforms. You tend to get more jobs because you look more professional. And that was the whole purpose of these shirts. So on the front of these shirts, you see our original logo, Ace Contracting and Services. And on the back of these shirts, you see our new logo, Ace Contracting and Services, but with a tape measure and a couple other things. You also see on the back of these shirts everything when it comes to our social media and internet presence. On this sleeve here, you see it's dedicated to pressure washing. There's a 100% guarantee because that's what we do. We give a 100% guarantee on any work that we do at your home or business. And on the other side, it's all about contracting. If you're liking everything you're seeing so far, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, the bell, and I would really appreciate it. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty of how much it costs and why. So for these, we paid a total of $278.05. Reason why is $40 for the design fee and $238 including shipping for 5 shirts. I received one polo shirt, a long sleeve shirt, and a short sleeve shirt, while my wife also received a polo shirt and a short sleeve shirt. Reason why I got the long sleeve shirt is during the winter months, it does get cold, and I am out there washing or fixing or cleaning. So $238 is actually not a bad price because it includes the shipping, and it averaged to about $45 per shirt. The colors are amazing. It's all about that bold, bright golden yellow color that we have in there, but also a little bit of camouflage. I am going to get a pair of Huck boots that match these way better than my current boots, and I think that's really gonna top it off. Got 'em. We're going to rebrand because we want to be known not just as a pressure washing channel, but also a channel where you can learn many things about the business of being a contractor. And it's going to be classified as branding, but you'll definitely enjoy it. So we wanted to be known more than as a YouTube channel for pressure washing or contracting. We actually want to take it a step further and show you all the ins and outs of running a successful contractor business. Now, what I mean by contracting, I don't necessarily mean being a general contractor. I'm talking about being a painting contractor, a flooring contractor, acoustical ceiling contractor, many things that require you to be in Division 9 and have a Division 9 specialty, which is known as finishes. So let's recap. Great shirts, feel good, look good, but more importantly, it shows. It tells people all about your branding. Gene of Ace Contracting Services